How to easily host a class or moderate a conference session effectively. Well, you can use the web-based moderation in ASTROS to help you. Web-based moderation allows teachers and moderators to choose who can share the screen during a session. Now let's see how to use the web-based moderation. First, you need to type IP address and log in with password. Web-based moderation supports all devices. You can also log in with your laptop. After logging in, you can see users who are connected to the ASTROS station. You can play, maximize and stop connected users' screen sharing. You can preview any connected user's screen too. When a session ends, just disconnect all users. Web-based moderation is compatible with on-screen moderation, so you can easily control screen sharing anywhere. If you want to learn more, welcome to book a demo with us.